tempted to get the command destroyer and jump on him, but it's probably a bad idea.
I can get my Rubik's and jump on him.
Jump on him, jump on him, jump on him. I'm in the Stradios with webs and scram and newts. You'll be fucked if we land on him.
Do you have something that can like warp me if, or you know, burn out me quickly if I fuck up?
I'll walk to you. I'm instant.
He's a bit too far away right now.
Fit rails through Brulix.
Oh yeah, he's gonna shoot the Sino, isn't he? Didn't think of that. At least he's aggressive.
I missed, didn't I did not.
Nice. Oh yeah, come on, Rubik's. Oh yes.
I have him not scrammed.
I'm in warp.
I haven't scrammed. And webbed.
Good.
Bait Sino as bait?
Best bait.
Webs, point, secondary point, newts.
Can't believe that worked.
Are we literally the worst?
No, we're the fucking best. That's what you get.
Hey, look safe.
And my